Hey guys, welcome to Car Fix School. Ever hear a faint tick, tick, tick from your engine while driving? That little sound is your engine's cry for help, a warning you can't afford to ignore. What starts as a minor tick can quickly turn into a catastrophic failure, costing thousands for a new engine. Today, I'll show you how to catch these warning signs early and save yourself a massive headache. Inside your engine, metal parts move at high speeds, separated by a thin film of oil. When oil breaks down, or parts wear out, metal hits metal, causing that ticking or knocking noise. Every tick means more damage. Ignore it, and you risk a total engine meltdown. Think of it like a toothache. Ignore the pain, and you'll need a root canal. A little tick could mean low oil or a sticky valve lifter, easy fixes if caught early, but let it go, and you could destroy your camshaft or main bearings. The key is to catch it early, and I'll show you how. Don't just hope weird noises go away, become an engine detective. Let's learn the language of our engines and fix this before it's too late. Not all engine noises are the same. Let's break down the three most common. First, a light, fast tick at cold start that disappears when warm is usually harmless. Second, a persistent, sewing machine-like tick from the top of the engine means a valve train issue. Don't ignore it. Third, a deep, heavy knock from the bottom of the engine is rod knock, a critical failure. Stop driving immediately. Being able to tell these sounds apart is crucial for diagnosing engine problems. Light tick, usually okay. Fast tick up top, needs attention. Deep knock down low. Emergency. Listen closely. Your engine is telling you exactly what's wrong. Let's move on to pinpointing the source. Unsure where the noise is coming from? Grab a long screwdriver, press the tip against a non-moving engine part, like the valve cover and the handle to your ear. This turns your screwdriver into a mechanic's stethoscope, letting you hear internal engine sounds clearly. Move the tip around. On the valve cover for lifter tick, down by the oil pan for rod knock. The sound gets louder right over the problem area. You can also tell if it's just a noisy injector or a loose bracket instead of a serious engine issue. This simple trick saves hours of guessing and helps you confidently identify the trouble spot. No fancy tools needed, just a screwdriver in your ears. Now, let's talk about what those noises actually mean. Let's break down the two big noises, lifter tick and rod knock. Lifter tick comes from the top of the engine, usually caused by dirty, thin or low oil, or a clogged lifter. It's metal hitting metal, and while not instantly destructive, it can wear out your camshaft, or rocker arms, if ignored. Sometimes, a simple oil change with an engine flush can fix it. If not, the lifter may need replacing. Rod knock is much worse. A deep knock from the bottom of the engine. It happens when rod bearings wear out, usually from oil starvation. The connecting rod slams against the crankshaft, causing severe internal damage. If you keep driving, the rod can break and punch through the engine block. Game over. Rod knock means you need a full rebuild or replacement, no exceptions. Catching these early can save your engine and your wallet. Next, let's do some quick detective work. Hear a noise? Here's what to check in 5 minutes. First, check your oil level and condition. Low, dirty or milky oil is a red flag. Next, rev the engine slightly. Does the noise get faster or louder? Lifter tick may quiet down with RPM. Rod knock gets worse. When changing oil, inspect the magnetic drain plug for metal shavings. Big chunks mean big trouble. Cut open the old oil filter and look for metallic glitter. Copper flakes mean bearing wear. Silver means other components are failing. These quick checks reveal if you're dealing with a minor issue or a major engine problem. Don't skip them, they can save you thousands. If you see lots of metal, it's time for serious repairs. Now what if you need to get your car to safety? Here's how to limp your engine home. If you've got a serious knock, your goal is to minimize damage and get to safety. Change the oil and use a much thicker grade like 50W40 or 20W50 to cushion worn parts. Add an oil stabilizer for extra protection. This isn't a fix, just a temporary lifeline. Drive gently, keep RPMs low, accelerate slowly, and avoid hills or heavy loads. Every extra mile risks catastrophic failure, so get to a shop ASAP. Lifter tick caught early might cost a few hundred to fix. Rod knock means thousands for a rebuild or replacement. Don't wait. Every tick is a countdown. The sooner you act, the cheaper the repair. Listen to your engine, and if you're unsure, post a video in the comments for help. Stay safe, and keep your engine running strong.